my name is Cherry and today I am going to show you all the weather today. See guys, it's just raining like anything. My whole bed is cold. This is in India, Karnataka. You have to see how it will rain whenever rainy season comes. One day today when I was playing, there came a very big tornado. Today, okay, there came a very big tornado. I thought, me and my friends thought it would be just a small tornado. Now it will go away in few minutes. But after the tornado was gone, the real thing started. It was burning. It was like freezing cold, guys. I was like just full with water and I came. Full of water. I was, however, wiping myself and coming. I'll show you the temperature in Karnataka. Okay? See? I'll show. Where did the weather go? Where is this? Yeah. No. I mean, not Z. Ah. I mean, just a minute, guys. What is the weather in Karnataka? See, guys, it's 28 degrees. Now see, why are they showing it sunny? Yeah, there. Saturday. Today is Saturday. I'll show you. Yeah, there can you see? It's Saturday today. And I'll show you it. And there see, Saturday. Flashing. 20, now it's 28 degrees. Why are they showing sunny? Here, this is the correct one. Can you see that blue mark? That's the water mark. See? I don't know, it's just going, coming. I don't know what's happening here. See, it's written here, weather. Severe rainfall alert. Tamil Nadu, Kerala, South Interior, Karnataka. This is Karnataka. See, the secretary is going with a big umbrella. I don't know why this kind of thing came when we are playing only. This kind of thing will any time come when you are playing only. I don't know. We were thinking all the coconut trees and all would fall down. But luckily, because of God's grace, it didn't. Others, we all would be khatam. Tata, bye-bye. Okay, guys. Please subscribe my channel named Cherry Guy 1 and bye. Please like the video.